After registration, BingX offered us 125 USDT welcome gift. So that is amazing.
Day and night, the lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night.
So, to register here in BingX, you can directly register in the link that I will drop in the comment section or I will put in the description box. You can see a button below, a register button. Click that and you can register through your email or mobile phone number. And after that, you will make an 8-digit password. And to receive additional bonuses, you can use this referral code. After filling the referral code, BingX will send you a verification code to your email. You can check your email inbox and then copy the code, the verification code, and paste it to the BingX registration form. And then click register. After registration, for better experience, you can directly install the BingX application to your mobile device. Now, we will install BingX on our mobile device. But if you are using a personal computer, that is not a problem because BingX, they have also a website where you can trade or invest in cryptocurrency and receive amazing bonuses and rewards. After installing the application, just agree with the terms and conditions, or you can also read their vision. You can see now that BingX offered us 125 worth of USDT welcome gift. So this will be unlocked if we can pass the mission or the task that will be assigned to us. So you can also earn here by subscribing or by investing in a particular crypto coin. So they offered a high interest. So this interest this is amazing. So you can also, if you're not a profitable trader yet, or you do not have an experience of trading, you can also copy traders who are profitable or proven profitable. Below, you can see these vouchers, or these are the rewards, and each rewards or each bonus, they are attached with a mission. But for better experience, we will log in first. Just click the profile icon and you can see welcome. Click welcome and then you will be routed to the login page. And after signing in, it is better to verify our account first, because if we verify our account, there are lots of possibilities that we can receive unique bonuses coming from BingX. In verification process, or in verification phase, all we need to do is to submit a unique or authentic identity document like valid IDs and our selfie. So BingX verification process will only takes 2 minutes. So that is shorter than the other brokers. And now you can start trading, spot trading, futures trading, or you can also invest here in using this BingX broker. And again, I will remind you, if you are not a trader or you are a beginner in the trading industry, you can copy these proven profitable traders. And that was all. I hope you will be a profitable investor or trader. And don't forget to like this video and also subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be updated to our crypto education.